Currently in our area, 80 degrees with a thunderstorm. Today, variable clouds with scattered thunderstorms. High 89. Chance of rain 50%. Tonight, a stray shower or thunderstorm is possible early. Skies clearing overnight. Low 76. Thursday, some clouds and possibly an isolated thunderstorm in the afternoon. High 88. Here's our 7-day outlook.